What is manifestation and how does it work? The power of manifestation, how to transform your life. Would you like to turn your dreams into reality? How can you consciously work to attract the things you desire into your life? Today, we're diving deep into the topic of manifestation, also known as conscious creation. Let's get started. 1. What is manifestation? Manifestation is the art of creating your reality through your thoughts and emotions. It's based on the idea that positive thoughts, a clear vision, and emotional alignment can turn your dreams into physical reality. Example: if you want to buy a car, visualize it, feel as if you already own it, and channel your mind toward positive thinking. 2. How does manifestation work? The power of thought. Focus your energy on positive thoughts to get closer to your desires. Belief and patience. Truly believe and be patient. Good things take time. Action. Positive energy isn't enough. You must take action and make steps toward your goals. 3. Step-by-step manifestation. Be clear. Clearly define what you want. Visualize. Picture yourself achieving that goal in your mind. Focus on emotions. Think about how you'll feel when you reach your goal and start feeling that way now. Be grateful. Be thankful for what you already have. Gratitude energy helps attract more. Take action. Take small steps every day, no matter how minor they seem. 4. The power of manifestation and examples. There are countless stories of people who have experienced life-changing transformations through manifestation. This method can give you a stronger sense of empowerment and control in life. Manifestation is not just about dreaming, it's about consciously shaping your life. If you're ready to give this method a try, start with a small step and see where your energy leads you. If you enjoy videos like this, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video.